this is the perfect recipe for when you have bananas that nobody wants to eat. We're gonna beat melted butter, 1 cup of melted butter, and the 2 cups of sugar in a bowl. Oh, attachment. And now I have my 6 bananas, and I'm just going to peel them and put them into this bowl. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going to crack 4 eggs into my bowl with bananas. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna whisk in these eggs into the mashed bananas. Then we're gonna add them into the I never do this. I don't know what to do because I've never done this. I mean, I've made banana bread. That's never happened to me though. I have another egg. I'm gonna crack it into the bowl, and I'm not going to spill it this time. And I have to wash my hands again. Okay, now I'm gonna whisk my egg in very carefully to the mashed bananas. I'm going to add that to the sugar butter. It smells so gross. Scrape down my bowl. We're going to beat it again. Now that that's done, I have 2 cups of oatmeal, and I'm going to sift in 2 cups of flour. Okay, once that's all mixed, we're going to pour it into the banana mixture over here. So here I have 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 3 cups of chopped walnuts, but they're not like super finely chopped. They're still supposed to be in like big pieces. So here are my 2 pans. I'm going to take the stick of butter and just rub it all over it. Here I have some oatmeal that's ground up, and this is the real secret. Because normally people flour their pans, but the oatmeal on the edges just makes it so much better. Now our pans are ready, and I'm going to pour in the banana bread. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350, and we're going to bake these for about 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out with moist crumbs. cut a piece. Ooh, it's hot. It's very hot. Okay. It smells so good. You can also put butter on it. I don't really like mine with butter. I don't care. It's very hot. It's good. It's so good. And the oatmeal is good on the sides because then it doesn't taste like you're eating flour. Actually, like the first time I made it with oatmeal was because we ran out of flour while I was making it. And it turned out great, so happy accidents. Thanks so much for baking with me, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong.
Just some butter, a pat
I don't want butter.
You then don't eat just.